My superstars, have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer? Okay, it's because they do not joke with investments. Rich people keep investing their money in diverse portfolios. As such, they keep making money passively. They make more money passively. Okay, they do not just leave their money idle in the bank, they make their money work for them. So, and the great thing is that these investments, some do not even require much. With as low as 5,000 naira, you can get started on your journey to investment. So today I'll be introducing you to one of such investments, and we'll be talking about how to invest in federal government bonds. Yes, with as low as 5,000 naira, you can invest in federal government bonds. And today I'll be showing you how you can get started. And the interest rate is amazing. You can make money by giving your money to government and they give you a return on investment in the form of interest. All right, so today we're going to talk about it. By the end of this video, you should be able to invest in federal government bonds in Nigeria. Okay, so federal government bond is an investment opportunity given by government for citizens to invest. Okay, it is a long-term investment and the tenure for the investment is 2 years and 3 years. Okay, for each tenure, it has its interest rate. And the great thing is that with as low as 5,000 naira, you can get started on investing in federal government bonds in Nigeria. You don't need so much. As a young person, you can just invest whatever you have and then go and rest. And it keeps giving you interest quarterly. Okay, so interest on federal government bonds is paid quarterly to your bank account. When the subscription is out, when it's ready, it's usually every first week of the month. Okay, like that of March started first week of March, and I think they're about rounding up soon. Okay, so it starts every first week of the month. You'll be given a subscription. When you're given a form, when the subscription is out, you'll be given a form and you fill the form indicating the amount and the tenure you want to invest your money with the government. Okay, so when you fill the form, you can then add your account number. So when it is due, when your interest is due, it will be paid directly into your account. Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you calculations on your possible return on investment, no matter the amount you invest. So don't go away, stay with me. But first, you need to know that for people who invest, we have two tenures. Like I said, we have 2 years and 3 years. For people who invest for 2 years, this month, the interest rate is 17.702% per annum. Okay, for those who invested in March, the interest rate for March this year is 17.702% per annum. While if you're investing for 3 years, the interest rate is 18.836% for March this year. So have you noticed that the longer the duration, the more the interest rate? For those who invested for 2 years, the interest rate is 17.702%, while for those who invested for 3 years, the interest rate is 18.83%, which is more than those who invested for 2 years. So the longer you invest, the more your return on investment. Okay, my superstars. All right. So for no matter the amount you have, all you do is just invest and then go to sleep. And every quarterly, your interest will be deposited directly into your bank account. Okay, what do I mean by quarterly? For those who do not know, every 3 months you will have your interest will be paid into your account. Like if you invest in January, by January, February, March, by March you receive your first interest. April, May, June, by June you receive your next investment. July, August, September, by September you receive the next one. October, November, December. By December, you receive the last one for the year. So that is how it works. You are paid quarterly per annum. All right, my superstars. So right now, let me show you a calculation on your possible return on investment. All right, my superstars, we are going to start our calculation right now the old school way. All right, so if you're investing 100,000 naira for 2 years, the interest rate is 17.70% per annum. All right, to find the percentage interest rate, you divide by 100. That's our percentage interest rate. Okay, so assuming you're investing 100,000 naira, you simply multiply by 100,000 naira. Okay, so it means you'll make 17,702 naira every year. That's per annum. To find how much you'll make every 2 years, because the tenure is 2 years for this interest rate, you multiply by 2. It means for 2 years of investing 100,000 naira in federal government bonds, you'll make 35,000 naira, 404 naira. Okay, so remember we said that per annum you'll be paid quarterly. Okay, and this is for 2 years. So it means we'll have 8. Every quarter has about 4. A quarter is 4. So this is for 2 years. That means 8. So to find out how much you'll be paid every quarter, you simply divide by 8. It means every 3 months in a year, you'll be paid 4,425 naira 5 kobo. Every 3 months from your 100,000 naira, you'll receive an alert of 4,425 naira 5 kobo every month. Okay, so let's do something bigger. Assuming you invest 1 million naira for 2 years at an interest rate of 17.70 per annum interest rate. Okay, assuming you invest your 1 million naira, okay, it means you make 177 naira and 20. Okay, so for 2 years, because the tenure is 2 years, remember, for 2 years you'll make 354,000 naira and 40. Okay, so every 2 years you invest your 1 million naira. This is what will be paid into your account. Okay, to know how much you make every quarter, okay, that means after every 3 months you make 44,255 naira every quarter from your 1 million naira at a tenure of 2 years, an interest rate of 17.72 naira. Okay, so let's try for the 3 years. Okay, remember I said that the longer you keep your money, the more the interest rate. So at 3 years, the interest rate is 18.836% per annum. Okay, so if you divide by 100, you have the percentage interest rate. Multiply by your 100,000 naira, assuming you want to invest 100,000 naira. So per annum, you make 18,836 naira from your 100,000 naira. Okay, so for 2 years, which is the duration. Okay, this is for 3 years. Sorry about that. For 3 years, you make 56,000 naira 508 56,508 naira every 3 years from your 100,000 naira. Okay, every quarter for the 3 years, okay, it won't be 8 this time around. 8, 9, 10, 11, it will be 12. Okay, so every 3 months for your 100,000 naira, you'll be making 4,709 naira from your 100,000 naira. Okay, Okay, quarterly, this is what you make if you're investing for 3 years. Okay, so let's do for something higher for your 1 million naira. Assuming you invest 1 million naira for 3 years at an interest rate of 18.36% per annum. Okay, all right, so if you invest your 1 million naira, this is what you make: 188,360 naira every year per annum. This is what you make for 3 years. You make 565 naira. Okay, 565,080 naira. Okay, so this is what you make every 3 years from your 1 million naira. Okay, let's see how much you'll make quarterly. Quarterly from your 1 million naira at for 3 years, you make 47,090 naira. Okay, so you see, the more you invest, the more your return on investment. If you invest for a longer duration, you also make more. Okay, so you can choose to invest 5 million naira, 10 million naira, 15 million naira, depending on how much you have. And the tenure, you could do 2 years, you could do 3 years, depending on how long you want it. Okay, there's no limit to what you can do and make money via federal government savings bond. All right, my superstars. Okay, so from our calculations, you have been able to see the possible return on investment after investing with federal government bonds. Okay, you have seen the amount, the expected amount, and no matter the amount you want to invest, you can follow the pattern I have shown you and calculate your interest. So every 4 times in a year, you keep receiving alerts from your money. Okay, my superstars. All right. So there are other investment opportunities available out there. I had done a video on different investment opportunities, how you can make money. This channel is all about making money, and I had done a video, so many videos on how to make money, how to invest in Nigeria via stocks, which is another way by which the rich keep getting richer. They invest in diverse stocks. There are other ways, and I'll keep bringing them to you on this channel, because this channel, we must make money this year. All right, my superstars, we are all about making money, and every time I look out for ways by which you can make money, either via your hands or by investments. So, my superstars, keep watching, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. And my superstars, have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. What would you love to know? If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, if you'd love me to notify you when the next federal government bond subscription is out, please write it in the comment section. Okay, and what would you love to know? Let me know in the comment section and I'll make a full video about it. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.